Descartes rule. For finding
Spelling?
Descartes. This is for finding positive roots or negative roots of an equation. What he is saying that x square, this is positive only. X square is positive. So he is saying that if you add a negative, x square minus 5x, so that is a negative number. Descartes, you know that it is the beginning of mathematics, you can say. He is such an old mathematician. So this is x square. So here it is positive. Next, negative. So graph is coming down. Again positive. So graph is moving up. So what he is saying that like this. So here graph is positive, then it become negative, then it become positive. Positive, negative, positive. So sign you see, this is positive, then negative, then positive. Negative means graph is coming down, positive means graph is moving up. So this way he calculated without using any formula. Without using any formula, he calculated positive roots and negative roots of an equation. So what he is saying that sometimes if the graph is like this, there is no guarantee it will cross x-axis. So sometimes positive, so graph idhar tak aa gaya. Again negative, positive ke baad negative, negative first it is positive, then it is negative, then positive. Like this, this is positive, which means negative. So what is happening? There is no guarantee it will cross the x-axis, but it can cross. If it is crossing, two roots will get it. Otherwise, there is no roots. So what he is saying that maximum number of positive roots. This is the result he is saying that maximum number of positive roots of f of x. You have to check how many sign changes. Number of sign changes of fx. Number of sign changes means, but up there go x raised to 8. This is positive. Now minus 4x raised to 7. This is negative. Now plus 6x raised to 6. This is positive. Minus x, negative. Plus 1, positive. So how many changes are there? Negative. 1 change, then positive. 2 change, third change. This is the how many changes? So maximum 4 positive root is possible. Maximum 4 positive root is possible for this equation. So sign changes you want to check it. But he is saying that, for example, x square plus x plus 1. So you see this is positive. This is also positive. This is also positive. How many sign change? Positive to positive. There is no change. So he is saying that no positive roots for this equation. No positive roots for this equation. Agree?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
मिल गया बेटा. No positive roots for आप खुद कर लीजिए. क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला लगा दो. आपको कोई इक्वेशन पॉजिटिव रूट्स ही नहीं देंगे. Now what is happening? You please tell me maximum number of positive roots or number of positive roots. Number of positive roots. First let me write 1, then 2x, 3x square, 4x cube. How many positive roots for this equation?
Sir, 0.
0. Because there is no sign change. It is very trivial. There is no sign changes for this equation. So that way we want to calculate. So let me put some problem. You should also answer quickly. You can find out that. So let me write this question. 0 roots is there. This is You tell me how many positive roots for this equation?
Sir, 0.
0 is the answer. So this is the way you have to check it. Maximum number of positive roots. Now the same way, normally maximum number of positive roots. Positive roots means you know that x is positive, x is greater than 0. Negative root means, what is the condition? Negative roots means that is minus x case. Minus x case. Negative root means minus x. What he is saying that maximum number of negative roots. Maximum number of negative roots. Maximum number of negative roots of fx equals 0 is number of sign changes. Number of sign changes of, we want to replace x with minus x. Because minus x is negative. X is positive. Minus x is only. So we want to, for example, you know that, let me tell you, for example, x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So this is positive, negative, positive. So positive roots. इसका positive roots आप बताइए, 2 positive roots are there. You can check it also. X equal to 2 and x equal to 3. Positive roots. Negative roots. For negative roots, what we will do? Our fx is x square minus 5x plus 6. For negative roots, we want to write f of minus x. You replace this x square plus 5x plus 6. You see here positive, this is also positive, this is also positive. So how many sign changes? No sign changes. That means x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 have no negative roots. So you see no negative roots because its roots is coming out with 2, 3. So you want to check with the f of minus x only here. We want to check with the minus x. We want to check with the minus x. For example, you tell me number of negative roots of x raised to 7 minus 1 equal to 0. So our fx equal to x raised to 7 minus 1 only.
Sir, 2. I mean, sir, 0. None.
We want to find out f of minus x.
Yes,
Minus
sir,
x
it's
raised to
both
minus.
signs are same. So no
Negative,
sign.
negative. No sign change. No sign change. So number of negative roots. So कोई negative roots आपको नहीं मिल जाएंगे. मिल गया बेटा this one. So how many negative roots
Yes,
are
sir.
there? Number of negative roots. So maximum number of negative roots, maximum number of positive roots. For example, please try. Myself also give the idea. So f of minus x, you want to check with f of minus x. Please try. 3x cube minus 13x square, 14x minus 2. So for negative root, we will replace with the negative.
Sir, 0.
0 is the answer to this. And you know that in complex roots, you know that one root alpha plus ib or alpha plus I beta. दूसरा root is coming out be alpha minus I beta. So complex root is occurring in conjugate pairs only. Complex roots occurring in conjugate pairs. ये conjugate बोलता है, हम लोग वो discussion करेंगे, बाद में discussion करेंगे. So one is कोई भी equation ले लो, x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. X is coming out be minus 1 plus 1 minus 4 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. So one equation is, so roots are एक minus 1 by 2 plus iota root 3 by 2. दूसरा आ जाएंगे minus 1 by 2 minus iota root 3 by 2. So this is the format always. Alpha plus I beta, then alpha minus I beta. So complex roots occurring in conjugate pairs. So this is the situation. Complex roots always coming with the two roots. So that is why odd degree equation. Odd degree equation have at least one real root. Odd degree equation have at least one real root. At least one real root. Why it's so? Because complex root will coming in twice. One आ जाए तो दूसरा भी automatically will come in. ठीक है? So इस वजह से आपको पता चल जाएंगे वन रूट इज अल्फा प्लस आई बीटा, दूसरा अल्फा माइनस आई बीटा. देन इक्वेशन कैसे बन जाएंगे? x माइनस अल्फा प्लस आई बीटा, दूसरे आ जाएंगे x माइनस अल्फा माइनस आई बीटा. सो व्हाट इज द डिग्री? डिग्री इज कमिंग आउट बी ट्वाइस. even degree is coming. Complex roots means even degree equation. Even degree equation for complex roots. Now you see odd degree equation. Odd degree equation आ जाए तो one root minimum real होना चाहिए. Odd degree equation having one root real. Odd degree equation having one root real. मिल गया बेटा this concept. Odd degree equation having one root is real. Odd degree equation guaranteed है one root should be. So for example.
सर इवन डिग्री में फिर सारे कॉम्प्लेक्स होंगे?
Even that there is no guarantee, but that there is no guarantee. Complex roots, all are complex means even degree. All are complex means even degree. The reverse is not true. For example, x square minus 5x plus 6, even degree only, but roots are not complex. But complex root is coming. All are complex root. All complex roots. That implies equation is even degree. Reverse is not true. Reverse is need not be true. This is the example. Complex roots. So odd degree equation आ जाए तो guaranteed है one root real होना है. So that is the concept. Odd degree equation आ जाए तो one root should be real. बेटा ये देख लेना this one. Odd degree. Maximum number of real roots. So you see what is fx? Odd degree. So one real root is guaranteed. So you see positive, negative, positive, negative. How many changes? One change, second change, third change. Maximum number of real roots. So 3 बन जाएंगे इसका maximum number because no negative root. 3 is the answer. Because either
Okay,
one change, here second change, third change. Maximum number दे ये पूछ रहे हैं maximum कितना हो सकता है? 3 हो सकता है. Maximum number का meaning ये होगा. Positive, negative, then positive, negative. Maximum number of positive roots. मिल गया बेटा?
सर अगर f of minus x 0 नहीं होता तो?
f of minus x
0 नहीं होता तो?
फिर भी मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ रियल रूट है पूछ रहा है ना. They are asking only real root. फिर भी 3 डालेंगे. 3 से ज्यादा पॉसिबल नहीं होता है. तो थर्ड डिग्री इक्वेशन है ना. third degree equation में 3 only maximum. Third degree equation में maximum 3 only possible. But ये फटाफट solve कर लेना this one. Please try to do this problem. One by one आप try कर लीजिए. So x raised to 4 minus 4x minus 1, maximum 1 positive root. Now we have 4 minus x. You see minus x. That is coming out be x raised to 4 plus 4x minus 1. So here you can see that positive, positive, negative. So maximum 1 negative root. Maximum 1 negative. So you can see that at most 1 positive root. That is a correct answer. Maximum 1 positive root. At most 1 negative root. That also correct. At most 2 real root. That also correct. So here A, B, C, all are correct answer for this. Will give it this one.
Yes, sir.
All are positive. 2 complex roots also there. 2 complex roots also you can find there. This is the approach normally we are going to. I will give you some problems.